Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and this channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks as a mother of three of how I save money for my party decors. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable balloon garland perfect for Christmas. And if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So this is how I made this beautiful balloon garland, perfect for Christmas. All you need really is those cute foiled balloons and some poinsettias that I bought at the dollar store. And you just get that really nice wow effect. So for the foil balloons, I will link down below in my description box the link where you can go ahead and buy them. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button if you haven't done it yet to get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. And basically what I did is that I just bought poinsettias, poinsettias, yes, okay, poinsettias.